How to remove highlights or background color from pasted text in Microsoft Word. Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to guide you that how to remove highlights or background color from pasted text in Microsoft Word. So let's dive in. So here you can see I have typed some text and added some background color, and now I just want to remove the highlights or background color. You simply have to select all of the text over here, and then you have to come to this paragraph option. And here you can see I have this icon over here. You have to simply click this arrow. The shading icon is going to open this palette for you. In this palette, you have to choose this no color option. Simply click no color. And now you can see that the highlights or the background color has been removed. Now let's dive into the second method. Here you can see the text over here is highlighted again, and now I want to remove the background color and highlights. Simply choose this text, and then you have to go to this design option and then choose this page borders option on the top right corner, and it's going to open or pop up this menu for you. In this menu, choose shading, and now simply choose this fill color option over here. You simply have to click this arrow or choose the color over here and then click no color. Now simply click OK, and it's going to remove the background color or highlights from your text. So that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.